In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's CTA button efficiently and effectively. If you're looking to boost your website's engagement, adding a call to action, or CTA, is a great way to direct your visitors towards taking a specific action. Let's dive right into the process and make your HubSpot experience seamless. To get started, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account first. Assuming you're already signed up, simply enter your login credentials and access your HubSpot dashboard. The dashboard is your command center where you can manage all your marketing activities, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this space. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the Marketing tab. Hover over it, and from the drop-down menu, select Landing Pages. If you already have a landing page that you're working on, you can go ahead and click Edit on that page. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, create a new landing page by selecting Create or New Landing Page. Crafting a compelling landing page is crucial as it's often the entry point for many visitors, so take the time to ensure it aligns with your campaign goals. Now, focus on the button settings. You should see the left panel presenting various options. You want to look for Link Options or the Link To field. This is where the magic happens. By configuring the button settings, you can determine what happens when a user clicks on your CTA. In the Link To options, choose CTA from the drop-down menu or the list of link options presented. This step is fundamental as it connects the button to your desired call to action, whether it's to download an ebook, subscribe to a newsletter, or any other action that supports your business strategy. Finally, to bring this call to action to life, click Insert or a similar button available to you. This action will embed the selected CTA into the button module on your page. Watching this process run smoothly is always satisfying because with each click, you're crafting a more engaging user experience. And that's it. You now know how to use HubSpot's CTA button to enhance the functionality of your landing pages. These steps may seem small, but they're vital components of a robust marketing strategy. Feel free to revisit these instructions whenever you need a refresher, and over time, they'll become second nature. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with different CTA options and button placements to see what works best for your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.